Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are actually today I am doing a read aloud. But don't remember